Good morning, children. This is English video session for class 6 and we are now reading the textbook Honeysuckle prescribed for class 6 NCERT. We are in the third chapter. The name of the lesson is Taro's Reward. We have already completed 6 paragraphs. We continue with the 6 and 7 in this particular class. We understood that Taro was very thirsty. He was wiping his sweat in spite of the cold climate. He's feeling very hot because he has worked a lot to cut more and more wood pieces because he wanted to sell them and earn more money to buy some sake to his father. Okay, and suddenly when he heard the sound of the water, he thought there is no stream so far. He is very familiar with this place. He had never seen any water point there. There is no water stream there. So he was already tired, thirsty and sweating. He just put his axe down and went to the direction of the tree. There what happened is, he saw a beautiful little waterfall. It is hidden just behind the rock. Kneeling down, where the water flowed quietly, he cupped a little. He is putting his hand together to take a little hand in his hand and put it in his lips. And he is drinking. Was it water or was it sake? He's going on asking, how can it be the same stuff? This is different. This particular thing is different. Is it sake? He's thinking. Okay. And in reality, it's tasted again and again and again. It was not cold water, but it was the sake. Yes. What he thought as imaginary and what he thought is, oh, maybe it is like that. It's true. Okay. See the picture? Here is Taro. Yes. You can see Taro, the waterfall, which he thinks it's waterfall, but what is it giving to Taro? It is giving him sake. Very good. See. Yes, how he's cupping, bending down, cupped his hand and he's taking it and drinking. Yes, see the picture, all of you, study the picture. Yes. Yes. What happens now? Okay. Yes. Taro quickly filled the pitcher. What is the pitcher? A pot usually made of mud. If, for example, you carry your thermos bottle, is it not? Water bottle to keep the hot water hot, to keep the cold water cold. You carry, no, thermos bottle. Yes. To the school to drink water. Whenever you go out, you carry your thermos bottle. Like that, Taro is carrying his pitcher. P-I-T-C-H, yeah, pitcher. Okay, a pot with him, hurried home. He filled the pitcher and he hurried home. The old man was delighted with the sake. After only one swallow of the liquid, he stopped shivering and did a little dance in the middle of the floor. Why is he dancing? So happy. He's so happy that he had the drink. Okay, his body is so warm. So he felt very light. In order to show his happiness, he danced. Okay, in order to show his happiness, he danced. Okay. Taro quickly filled the pitcher he had with him and hurried home. The old man was delighted with the sake. After only one swallow of the liquid, he stopped shivering and did a little dance with in the middle of the floor. He did a little dance in the middle of the floor. Okay, children. So now, what will be the mental state of Taro? Happy, sad, very happy. Okay, his life he wanted to make his father happy, parents. And what was the intention? If he gives them little sake, he will be very happy, and that is fulfilled. Okay, so definitely Taro is also very happy. Listen to these words. Cupped, a little in hand, took some water in the hands as if like a shape. You put your hands in the shape like a palm. You cupping your palms, no? To drink water. That's it. Okay. What is delicious? Delicious, very tasty. The ice cream was delicious. The sambar was delicious. What's the meaning of it? It means very tasty. What's the meaning? Very tasty. Okay. The pot. Pitcher means a pot usually made of mud. What is it? Pot is usually made of mud. Say the word again. Pitcher. Pitcher. Okay. Now, let's go to the next. That afternoon, a neighbor stopped by for a visit. Taru's father politely offered her a cup of sake. The lady drank it greedily and thanked the old man. Then Taru told the story of the magic waterfall. Thanking them for the delicious drink, she left in a hurry. By nightfall, she had spread the story throughout the whole village. Okay. Now, you know, people come to, we offer tea, we offer coffee, we offer them hot or cold drinks. Is it not a drink? Like that, when the neighbor stopped for a visit, Taru's father, what did he give? He took a cup of sake and gave it to her. The lady drank it. Wow, such a tasty, costly drink. How will I get it? She's greedily drinking. As if desiring, और कुछ मिला तो कितना अच्छा है. She's drinking like that. And she said thank you to the old man and she went off. What is she doing? She ran away in a jiffy. She just runs out of the house in a hurry. You know what is the intention for her to go in a hurry? She wanted to tell the news that Taru told her that she was cutting the tree and chopping the wood. At that time, what happened? There was this stream came and water was, he thought it's water, but it was sake. So he filled it in the bottle and he came. All the stories he told. And this lady, what she thought? She went and told the entire village the story behind the sake. Did you understand, children? Why this lady was in a hurry to leave the house? Thanking them for the delicious drink. She left in a hurry. By nightfall, she had spread the story throughout the whole village. Throughout the whole village. Okay, shall we see? That evening, there was a long procession of visitors to the woodcutter's house. Each man heard a story of the waterfall and took a sip of the sake. In less than an hour, the pitcher was empty. You remember our Taro when he had gone to the forest, he took a picture and so he filled it and came. So now outside is one long group, one long line is standing for what? To have the visitors to have woodcutter's house. They are asking, what happened? What happened? And they heard the story of the waterfall and took a sip. So they all wanted to have a taste of the sake, how it will be. Okay, they all are coming home to have a sip of sake. Okay. Now, in less than an hour, just 1 hour itself, the pitcher was empty. Everybody drinks, then how much it would be? A small pot, a water bottle type, which has a lid. So it became empty. Clear? So the information is spread throughout the village. What? The stream does not give water. It gives only sake. Now clear? What do you think the people will do the next day? Let's see in the next few lines. Now by tomorrow you please read the page number, paragraph number 8, 9, 10 also and come prepared. Is that clear? With this I close the class. Thank you children.